The quokka is often called the happiest animal in the world, but its most fascinating traits go far beyond its famous smile. One of the most surprising facts about the quokka is that its smile is not an expression of happiness at all. Its mouth naturally curves upward due to the shape of its jaw and facial muscles. Humans instinctively interpret this as joy, but biologically, it is simply anatomy. Quokka's viral fame is built on a misunderstanding of facial structure. Another remarkable trait is its evolutionary efficiency. The quokka belongs to the kangaroo family, yet it evolved to remain small and energy conservative. Unlike larger macropods, it does not rely on speed or size for defense. Instead, it survives through nocturnal behavior and low energy expenditure. It moves mostly at night to avoid heat stress and conserves moisture in dry environments. The quokka is also a marsupial, meaning females carry their young in a pouch. What makes this even more fascinating is a reproductive strategy known as embryonic diapause. A female can pause the development of an embryo until environmental conditions are favourable. If she loses a joey, another embryo can resume development almost immediately. This biological backup system increases the species' survival chances in unpredictable environments. Perhaps the most debated behaviour is its predator distraction strategy. When threatened, a mother may drop her joey to distract a predator while she escapes. While this sounds harsh, from a human perspective, it is a cold but effective survival mechanism shaped by evolution. In nature, continuation of the species often outweighs individual survival. Quokkas are also unusually tolerant of humans, especially on Rottnest Island in Western Australia. With few natural predators on the island, they developed a reduced fear response. This lack of fear is one reason tourists can approach them easily. However, this same trait makes them vulnerable in mainland environments, where introduced predators like foxes exist. Another fascinating detail is their ability to survive with limited fresh water. Quokkas obtain much of their hydration from leaves and vegetation. Their digestive system extracts maximum nutrients and moisture from fibrous plant material, allowing them to live in relatively dry habitats. They are also surprisingly strong for their size. Although small, they can climb low shrubs and even small trees when necessary. Their hind legs, built like miniature kangaroo legs, allow quick bursts of movement when escaping danger. What makes the quokka truly unique is the contrast between appearance and reality. It looks permanently cheerful, yet it lives a life shaped by fire, drought, predation, and environmental pressure. Its global image is one of joy, but its true story is one of resilience. The quokka is not the happiest animal in the world, it is one of the most misunderstood, and perhaps that contrast is what makes it so fascinating. It is known as the happiest animal on earth. It looks like it is always smiling, but behind that smile lies a fight for survival. This is the story of the quokka. The quokka lives only in Western Australia. Its largest population is on Rottnest Island. It rests during the day. It moves at night, small in size, surprisingly resilient. Because of its facial structure, it appears to smile constantly. Tourists travel across the world for a selfie, but this is not happiness, it is anatomy. The quokka is a marsupial. It carries its baby in a pouch. When threatened, it may drop its joey to distract predators. Cruel? No. Instinct. After European settlement, foxes were introduced. Habitat shrank, wildfires increased. Mainland populations collapsed. Today, quokkas are protected. No feeding, no touching, no predators on Rottnest Island. But climate change remains a risk. Maybe the quokka reminds us, not every smile means happiness. Nature is never as simple as it looks. Simple